Master the critical art of incident response and defend the digital frontier against the world's most sophisticated cyber threats. Learn to control the chaos by detecting, containing, and neutralizing security breaches with surgical, high-stakes precision. Secure your future in a field with 25% annual growth and average salaries exceeding $140,000. Whether you aspire to be a frontline analyst or a commanding team lead, our curriculum maps your path to professional excellence. We provide a structured path covering everything from core response frameworks to advanced strategies for neutralizing complex attack cycles. Accelerate your expertise through 13 comprehensive chapters, 75 objectives, 19 intensive labs, and 160 rigorous quizzes. Remember that in the world of modern cyber warfare, the difference between total victory and ruin is your response time. Gain full lifetime access to this professional-grade training program for a one-time investment of $239.99. The digital world needs experts who can act under pressure. Become a defender and enroll in our course today. If you have questions about your career journey, our dedicated team is standing by to assist you at support@uCertify.com.